welcome everybody. Am I visible and audible?
Yes,
Hello.
yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yeah, welcome to the Noesis 20 is a conference, a annual conference of Perindalmanna Obstetric and Gynec Society, Kerala. I would like to introduce my hospital mate and also working in Aster MIMS Kottakkal, Dr. Ashwati Kumaran from Perindalmanna. She is consultant IVF unit at Aster MIMS Hospital Kottakkal, FNB in reproductive medicine, executive committee member POX, and area of interest is ART and laparoscopy. And over to you, Dr. Ashwati.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon. Welcome, everyone. It is my proud privilege to be part of the Perindalmanna OBG Society and welcome you all to today's workshop. The Perindalmanna OBG Society is a budding OBG society based in Perindalmanna, Kerala, and we are growing under the leadership of our President, Dr. Kunju Moideen, and able Secretary, Dr. Wahab. Our mission is to stimulate research, disseminate education, encourage superior clinical care. And our vision is to ensure that all women have access to quality reproductive health care. Noesis is the annual academic extravaganza that the Perindalmanna OBG Society will be offering each year. And last year, it had been a huge success. Welcome you all to the workshop part of this year's Noesis 2. And under the aegis of FOCSI, our theme is exploring new advances in obstetric practices. Now, without much ado, let us go ahead into the workshop. I invite Dr. Wahab. As he said, he is my colleague. He is a senior surgeon and former HOD of MES Medical College, Perindalmanna, and he is a senior consultant at Aster MIMS Kottakkal. And his expertise in surgery and in laparoscopy especially and in high-risk pregnancy is beyond compare. I invite you, sir, to deliver the welcome message and invite our to introduce the chairperson for inaugurating the conference.
Thank you, Dr. Ashwati Kumaran. It is my privilege to introduce the faculty here and Dr. Fessy Louise, President KFOG, to inaugurate this wonderful conference. And our vision and mission, just like the POX, the past 2 years, we have a lot of academic activities, and we are continuing with the same. And I would like to invite Dr. Fessy Louise for inaugurating this conference. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. Thanks, Wahab, for my introduction. But I like to clarify that I'm not the president of KFOG. I am only vice president of FOCSI. Okay. And it is wonderful to be back in Perindalmanna ONG Society's annual CME, even though it's virtually. As you all know, Perindalmanna Society started as a Perindalmanna ONG club a few years back. When I was in Edappal, I was also part of that Perindalmanna ONG club. Even though I was a member of Thrissur Society, or I was part of Perindalmanna club also. So I think it is unique that as a society which is formed hardly 2 years back has achieved so much great in not only in academic thing but social activities also, and they are doing a wonderful annual CME. And as energetic president, my dear friend and college mate Dr. Kunju Moideen and Abdul Wahab, the secretary. They have been doing a number of academic activities. Not only that, socially also they have been doing a lot of social work also. which is uncomparable with the societies which this many experience in and out of Kerala. As unique this today, they have got two workshops. One is for the monitoring the passenger, one is for the how you monitor the how you assess the passage. So that is a unique way of doing a thing, and focused also how you will focus and specific theme has to be done. I am privileged to be here in front of seniors, chairpersons, my own teacher and my own professor and my own mentor, Professor Shamla Devi Madam, and also seniors like Dr. Sujata Bhatt, and Dr. Sridevi Madam, Dr. Kiran Sneha, and my friend Dr. Professor Pramila from the Thrissur Amala Medical College. And also we have got wonderful speakers like Dr. Parishit Tang is there, Dr. Umaram is there, Dr. Asmita is there, Dr. Samarthram is there, and Dr. Surega Thaide is there from Varda. And as unique, Kunjumuddin has made this conference name also as Noesis. I initially, I'm not good in this English big words. I had to search the dictionary to get the meaning of that. I could see it as a psychological result of a perception and learning and reason. So what a right way in which Kunjumuddin has made as a unique thing in everything Kunjumuddin and Wahab is doing that. So I hope this also workshop also will be a unique thing, and those who are attending will be very much highly benefited with the inputs and the hard work they have planned for this workshop. And also today evening we'll be having the conference also will be here. It will be there, which will be starting at 5:30. Wishing all the best for the workshop of the nurses. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you once again.